Hey guys, we start today's analysis on BTC. Let's go to the higher time frame, which is the daily chart. And looking at that, there is something I saw here that I've been omitting all this while. I discovered that there is actually a resistance level here, which I haven't really taken cognizance of for a while now. There is a resistance level here, and extending it to the current price level, that would be somewhat around here. Trying to extend it. Okay, so we have a resistance around 60, let's just call it 60, between 60K to 62K. That's a very given resistance level that I haven't noticed until this morning. Switching to the lower time frame, let's look at what happened yesterday. We pointed this very support level and we said that as long as the market is respecting, BTC is respecting this given support level, that everything was good. And you can see what happened yesterday, that as much as he respected it, he came here, did as if it was gonna break below, but instead it got rejected and it's moving up. So we're gonna extend this very support to also factor in the current price action. Doing that, would have something like this, would have something like this. So we have a new support level, which is here now. We have a given support level, which is here. So as long as, what it means by extension is that as long as price remains um above this current support, this yellow line, what it means is that the market is actually moving up. And of course, the truth is that the Bitcoin is actually bullish. And by extension, what it means is that the entire cryptocurrency market is actually bullish. It doesn't really mean that anything cannot happen, because I have, one of the things I've learned about trading is to never fix your mind on a particular direction. Just know that anything is possible. Certain sort of persons have started saying that there is gonna be a flash dump. I don't really know how truth that is, but then, like I said, in trading, you do not discount anything. Just open your mind to anything, knowing fully well that anything can always happen. So what this teaches you is that you should never go all in at any given point in time. Just expect the unexpected. Just know that anything can always happen. And another school of thought is saying that there's going to be a breach of this 80, this all-time high anytime soon. But I don't really think that's going to happen. Taking into cognizance what happened previously, that the 80H wasn't breached until the halving. So these are just the things I'm putting my mind on. So anything can always happen. And let's just measure and what is remaining. What percentage is remaining before we get to the 80H. So to do that, we put our ruler at the current price, then extend it to the 80H. So what it means is that we'll have about 18.58% before the 80H. 80H, the all-time high, the previous 80H is breached. So roughly we have about $10,865.7 and about 20 bars before the 80H is breached, before we go above the previous 80H. So these are just the things we have to know concerning the market, and always know that anything can always happen. So yeah, like I said, some persons are already expecting a flash dump before the continuation. But then, like I said, let this serve as this yellow line, let it serve as your support. And as much as it's serving as your support, also remember this one here, that this is also a support level, this one here. So in the event that the dump happens and this is breached, so this is breached and it closes below it. So the next place we should be expecting a support is around 51K or thereabout. Like I said, anything can always happen. All right, guys. So let's also switch to the 4-hour chart to see what is actually happening. So you see, this is just like it's as though it was projected. It's still going up. It's still going up. We had this range here that actually broke out, and then it's been going up. And the next target is around this 60K region. Of course, I think it's possible. We might see that tomorrow. We might see that before the week runs out. We might even see the reverse. It might hit here and then the dump starts. But then anything can always happen. All right, guys. So that's just what I wanted us to collectively look into in Bitcoin today, and knowing fully well that whatever happens with Bitcoin to a large extent affects the entire cryptocurrency market, because Bitcoin is a leading indicator to the general outlook of the cryptocurrency market. Okay, guys. So please, if you like this content, I encourage you to kindly like, follow, and subscribe to the channel. And if you're also looking for a particular exchange where you trade, I invite you to BitGet Exchange, which is actually the exchange I've been using, my community has been using. We also have a Telegram community of traders, both crypto and forex. So you can hop in, join us, and then we can collectively grow together. To sign up on BitGet, I'll be leaving the link at the lower section of the video. All right, guys, till I come your way again. Hansa here. Salute.